step into the 2006 Mini Cooper Hardtop S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include aluminum wheels, bucket seats, rear spoiler, premium synthetic seats, AC, leather steering wheel, power door locks, and adjustable steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.